everyone, Tasha Danielle here. One common question I get is, what the heck did you pack in your small little carry-on and tote bag to be able to dress for a whole year? So I am currently in Barcelona, Spain, in my beautiful Airbnb, and I am about to repack. I've been in Barcelona for 17 days, so I'm about to head to Paris to visit a couple friends, and then I'll be on to my next adventure. But I figured since I've been in Barcelona for such a long time, I've pretty much completely unpacked and wore a lot of my things. Not all, but I wore a lot of the clothes that I packed. So I am going to show you exactly what I brought along, because I will be getting rid of stuff along the way. I've already left behind or gotten rid of a tank similar to this. It was green, and a couple of black shorts, and well, not a couple, one pair of biker shorts, because my carry-on suitcase was just becoming too tight, and I don't feel comfortable traveling with my suitcase being like you have to sit on it. And I should stop saying suitcase. My carry-on, my roll-on carry-on being to the point where I have to sit on it. I don't want it to pop. And then also my like tote bag was packed to the brim, and I don't want to travel like that. So some people are comfortable with it, but the last thing I need is for my luggage to pop along this journey and have to buy new luggage. So here it is, people. My wardrobe for the next year, including my luggage. The only thing you don't see on screen is my laptop and professional camera, but let me break down what all this stuff is. Starting with my workout slash athleisure wear. I haven't actually worked out yet. Back in the States, I work out between 4 to 5 days a week, but with so much work walking here right now in Spain, I don't need to work out. Like it's been tough some days, and a lot of hiking I've been doing. So right here, this is 5 bottoms of workout wear, or things that I wear when it's really hot out. So that's pretty much every day. But the shorts, are spandex, so I wear that a lot. And then I have 2 workout shirts and then a sports bra. So whenever I actually do work out, I wear the sports bra. Sometimes I will wear the sports bra as a top, but that is my comfy clothes. Then I have my dresses. I have 5 dresses with me, really 4 that I plan on wearing throughout. The goal one is just like if I really go somewhere, and I want to look a little bit more revealing, that's what that's for, but I don't really plan on wearing it that often. But you gotta have a cute little sexy dress with you when you travel. And then I have 4 jean bottoms. So I'm wearing one of them right now, my actual jeans, and then I have high-rise actual jegging jeans, and then I have 2 jean shorts, because wearing the little athleisure wear after a while can be annoying. And then I have a sweater. So that is to be paired with anything if it's chilly out. I am chasing the sun, but I am aware that there will be nights where the temperature drops and I may want to go back to my room and grab it. And then here are I only have one of those sweaters. And here is my tank tops that I wear pretty often, where I have been wearing often so far. So I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The burgundy one is actually like a crop top. So I wear that as a regular top. If it gets cold out, I can always pair it with my blue jean jacket. Or chilly, not necessarily cold. I have 5 actual t-shirts, because you get sick of wearing tank tops. Sometimes you want to wear a t-shirt. And I was strategic in the t-shirts that I picked for my mini at home. I picked the Detroit shirt just so some places I go, people can see okay, I'm from the States, I'm from Detroit. It makes for good conversation, and other people can recognize you. Now I have my shirts to represent my company. I wrote a children's book, so I wear that shirt. And then another shirt that represents my company, Financial Garden. Now on to swimwear. Now I only brought 2 swimsuits with me, a gold one and a black one, and one cover up. So you may see a lot of pictures with me in the same swimsuit. Then I have 3 nice shirts to pair with these 2 bottoms right here. So For example, you can mix and match different outfits. That's why you see a lot of solid colors. And those are like my nice shirts. I'm saying nice. My nice shirts to wear out and about on town. And then that is my underwear and my bras. So not gonna go into detail of that. Gotta keep some stuff to myself. And then these are some like fabric softener beads that my best friend left me when we were in Paris. And it's helpful when you are traveling with dirty clothes. You smell, when I open my suitcase, I smell the fabric softener. It smells lovely. I hate traveling with dirty clothes, so I typically try to wash all my clothes before pack day. Now to my jackets and my shoes and my actual luggage here. So, 2 jackets, blue jean jacket, and I kind of consider this like my jacket coat. Back at home in Michigan, I wear this when I'm driving, keep in mind, but I usually throw this on when it's like 40 degrees, 35, 40 degrees, because it looks very thin, but this is very like insulated and it helps. But this is usually when I'm running to my car, to and from cars and stores. So I don't plan on being in climates that will drop to lower than 40 degrees. Like if it is, I won't be outside, but like I may have to buy a coat if that happens. But I haven't been wearing that so far, but that's what I have with me. Now on to my shoes, basic as F. Well, I should say basic AF, because they look a little run down because I be walking, y'all. The gym shoes I am going to replace. They should have been replaced before I left. That look a little tacky, but it is what it is. Keeping it real with y'all. And the Croc sandals is a must. Neutral color and black. And I don't have any heels. So if I need to buy high heels somewhere, I'm going to have to buy them. I don't plan on wearing high heels, so it is what it is. This is my little carry-on roll-on suitcase. And this is where I store all my clothes that I just showed you. I like this part because it has a little, this compartment, and then right here is for your laptop to go into, and then the clothes goes in that part. These, I have 2 like zipper compression bags and then some packing cubes for my clothes. There's stuff in there right now because it's my toiletries. And this is my one and only purse, y'all. A pink little crossbody. Why I have a pink crossbody instead of like a black or neutral is because I really like pink and I like the way this is made. It like to get in the inside of it, you have to like open it and zip it, and so certain places is known for pickpocketers, so I keep that zipped up and I can like hold it, so you can't get in there without me knowing or feeling it. And then you have my carry-on bag. You can see the lifestyle is hanging out right now. I do have a water bottle with me along with Beats headphones. Those are clipped, the water bottle and the Beats stay clipped outside my bag for space, but this is my tote bag and I can fit quite a few things in here. I have my professional camera in here right now, and just random stuff that I throw in here along the way, but it holds a nice amount of things. And then you have my Barcelona bag I just purchased. I will not be traveling with that outside of it. That will have to fit somehow in my roll-on suitcase. So something's gonna have to go away from over here, and I'm fine with that because I really realize I need a everyday tote bag when I'm in certain places. I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking, and with a lot of walking, you need water bottle. You may buy something, and you don't want to have a lot of bags hanging out. It's easier just to have a tote bag, and I'm gonna fold that up and fit that probably into my current tote bag. But I already started this video saying that I'm pressed for space right now because this is tighter than what I want. And I want to make sure that I have my tote bag. But it all fit. I made it to the airport and this is what I have. No check bags. Thanks for watching.